think to sum it up briefly, as far as we can tell, arbitrated awards, as they call them in the arbitration biz, are going to be as good as court-ordered awards or court-ordered decisions. Just as an aside, with the family law arbitrations I've done, I don't like to use the word award, because in family law, it's, especially if you come from a mediation background, giving somebody award means somebody didn't get one. And so I use the term decision, and it would be kind of nice, I think, if they had used that in the legislation, but they didn't. Again, they didn't ask me.
The family. The idea of family is changing. I can imagine a situation where we leave it to beaver behind and move into a more communalist sort of family structure with, frankly, polyamorous relationships. And we already kind of have this under the FRA and the FLA in the sense that you can be a spouse to more than one person simultaneously. I mean, we've all had cases where somebody wakes up one day and discovers that although they're still married to spouse number one, they're now a common law spouse with respect to the woman they've been living with for the last 2 years. Surprise! But look at the plain language reading of Section 3. Right? We're never going to have polygamous marriages like marriage proper until that's repealed or changed. But Section 3 says, it doesn't say with one person and only with one other person. It says lived with another person in a marriage-like relationship. So I can see, like, for example, a trio, right? You can't have a simultaneous spousal relationship with everybody involved in that, but you can, under Section 3, have a spousal relationship A with B, A with C, and then B with C would have a spousal relationship of their own, right? It's right there. So maybe we'll have a repeal of polygamy. Who knows? Hive parenting. I have a friend who's actually in a polyamorous relationship, not with me. And she's got 2 kids that are now in their early teens, and each of her partners are assisting in the parenting of these children. Each take a kind of parental responsibility. For her, this is totally normal because it's the way it's been for something like 15 years, right? But things are changing.